is up, guys? Andy with a YouTube video, and today I'm showing you how to do the water drop sound without your hands or anything. You don't have to do the old tapping thing or anything if you had a problem with that. But if this is for people that I made a video on how to click your tongue. That video, if you haven't seen that video, go check it out. I'll leave a link in the description below. But if you were able to do that and everything, I have a way to where you can do it without your hands and use the clicking thing and the water drop to make the water drop sound. Alright, so what it's going to sound like is this. So basically, instead of going, if you haven't seen my water drop video, I'll leave a link in the description below for that too. But so basically, instead of doing the tapping thing, you're going to be clicking your tongue, and then you're going to be going. So it's going to go instead of it's going to go. All together. So, if you haven't seen my video on how to click your tongue, it's down there. If you haven't seen my video on how to do the water drop, it's down there. So, first watch those videos and then watch this video if you want to try it this way. So you're going to go, and then you can go. So, if you want to end a tutorial on how to do the whole part, watch the water drop video. But anyways, so you're going to go. But it has to be all together. It's not going to be. It has to be all together or else it's not going to sound as great. I described that in my water drop video. But this is kind of a shorter video, just a short tutorial on how you can do it this way, if you haven't figured that out yet. But yeah, thanks for watching this video, guys. If you like this way better than the part, leave a like in the like part below. And leave a comment in the comment section below if you like these videos, these how-to tutorials. Can't speak today. But yeah, thanks for watching this video, guys. Be sure to subscribe for more how-to tutorials. I'm going to be uploading a lot of more videos over the Christmas break and stuff. But yeah, thanks for watching this video, guys, and I'll see you guys next time.